Hawaii volcano warning. Lava fissure opens near major energy plant. Hawaii's Kilauea volcano has spawned a new lava fissure less than a mile from a geothermal energy plant, forcing 50,000 gallons of pentane to be removed amid alarming concerns. The U.S. Geological Survey said 16 fissures have now opened up on the Big Island. The latest fissure arose just before 7 a.m. 12 p.m. GMT, about 1 mile northeast of the last fissure in the Leilani Estates area. A fissure is a linear volcanic vent through which lava erupts.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.